Hello viewers, welcome back. This video is all about the new stuff which I bought recently. If you like to have more videos on digital space, please make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Philips LED light bulbs provide a beautiful, cool white light, an exceptionally long life, and immediate, significant energy savings. With a pure and elegant design, this bulb is the perfect replacement for your frosted traditional bulbs. Designed for the comfort of your eyes. It's easy to see how harsh lighting can strain the eyes. Too bright, and you get the glare. Too soft and you experience flicker. Now you can gently light up your world with LEDs designed to go easy on the eyes, and create the perfect ambience for your home. Light all around. Thanks to its innovative, but vintage design shape. Covers Cart is India's largest website, dedicated to mobile phone covers, with huge collection of designs. Premium tempered glass back case, with 4 sides protection and soft TPU sides for better grip. Case is made of scratch-resistant tempered glass, and the glossy back case is ultralight. Covering all sides with silicon-based material, with dedicated covering for volume and power button. Portronics 8.5-inch rewritable LCD pad, 4-magnet, stylus drawing handwriting board. Tablet displays your notes, until you erase them with the touch of a button. One touch button erases notes instantly. Durable case and recessed screen, are safe for home use. Write notes, lists and make doodles without using paper or pen. This pad is amazing, and you can write and rewrite, as much as you can. It is easy to use, write and erase. The Blush Bees foldable storage bags are made of premium Oxford fabric. Built on strong metal frame structure, they are quite sturdy and fits perfectly into your wardrobe. Blush Bees wardrobe organizer for clothes is made of premium Oxford fabric, and the material from inside is treated with moisture-proof lamination, which guarantees to protect your garments from moisture and dust. Front and top zippers to keep or remove clothes. Front and side view window, to view content inside without opening the box. Side handles to lift the living box, completely foldable when not in use. A TDS meter is a small handheld device, used to indicate the total dissolved solids in a solution, usually water. AP1HM TDS meter has auto-off function, data hold function and low battery indicator. Display is large and easy to read LCD screen, includes simultaneous temperature reading. This is a very easy to use, water quality checking device. Godrej Candy 6666 key alloy steel baggage lock is having self-locking mechanism. Key cannot be removed while unlocked. This ensures secure locking. Tamper-proof and rust-resistant, ensuring smooth operation for long period. This lock is ideal for small locking needs, which protects your luggage, computer and other valuables, which is attractive and durable. Borosil stainless steel transbolt, vacuum insulated flask water bottle. Keeps water or beverage, which is hot or cold up to 24 hours. Double-walled vacuum insulated, with copper coating for better temperature retention. Easy to pour and easy to drink. Leak-proof and rust-proof stainless steel inside and outside. Logitech Silent Touch technology reduces over 90% of clicking sounds, while ensuring top performance. This cordless mouse automatically switches to sleep mode when not in use, which ensures long battery life. It is crafted for comfort, with contoured grips made of soft rubber. The noiseless M330 Silent Plus mouse is built to give great comfort to users. It is designed for easy, reliable way of storing your smartphone on the stem of your bike. It's compactable, which can be mounted onto any stem. Protection from dust. It is stable, and soft pocket takes the shape of your smartphone in order to hold it well. Foam on the back to protect from impacts. It has a protective touchscreen. The pocket covers the phone completely, while leaving the screen visible, which helps for easy reading. This cable clip manages wires and cables, and secures them to a fixed point on a surface, like a wall, ceiling or floor. It occupies very little space, and doesn't need to be glued on the surface. This one is made of eco-friendly polyethylene terephthalate material. This accessory is a net that is buckled around the support straps of the middle and upper berths, to let kids have a comfortable sleep, without fear of falling. It is easy to fold and carry. Easily assembled and installable phone holder, designed to suit all smooth surface walls. With a sleek design and solid ABS plastic build, charging holder is your safest smartphone wall holder, and a rest area for your phone. It is easy to install. For ear protection, travel noise reduction, meditation, sleeping earplugs. Smooth and dirt resistant surface for hygiene.